Number 3, this is acid and this is alkali. Number 1 on the basis of source, number 2 was on the basis of strength. Number 3 on the basis of composition. On the basis of composition, acids may be classified as hydracid and oxyacid. Hydracid are those acids which have hydrogen atom and other non-metal like nitrogen, chlorine, sulfur, etc. Nitrogen, chlorine, sulfur, etc. Except oxygen. That means hydracid does not contain oxygen. Here, oxyacids are those acids which contains hydrogen with oxygen. Here oxygen is present, here oxygen is absent. Oxygen is absent. Here oxygen is present. Now for hydracid, the example we given here. I am giving examples of hydroacids here. Say HF, HCl, HBr, HI, H2S, etc. Hydrogen sulfide, etc. These have no oxygen. Now oxyacids may be given as example containing oxygen, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, formic acid. All organic acids contain oxygen. So these are oxyacids which contains oxygen, and hydroacids does not contain any oxygen. On the basis of composition, there is no classification in case of alkali. Now number 4. Number 4 is on the basis of concentration. That means the amount of water present in acid or alkali. If the amount of water is little, then the portion of acid is greater. So this will be concentrated. So one is concentrated solution, concentrated acid, and another is dilute acid, where the amount of water is greater. Say 98% acid, 98% acid, or even 60% acid are concentrated. Here dilute acid 20% acid, that means 80% water. These are dilute acid. Here also say more than 60% acid, 60% alkalis are strong or concentrated alkali, are concentrated, and less than 40% alkali, say 20%, 10%, etc. are dilute alkali, are dilute. Now, number 5, on the basis of basicity of acid and acidity of base. Basicity of acid means the number of hydrogen ions obtained from one molecule of acid, and acidity of base means the number of OH ion obtained from one molecule of base. I am giving example. basicity of acid on this basis, acids were divided as monobasic acid, dibasic acid, and tribasic acid. Monobasic, that means from where we will get one hydrogen ion, say HCl, HNO3, etc. are monobasic acid. From one molecule of hydrogen you will get only one hydrogen ion. Dibasic acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. From one molecule of hydrogen acid you will get two molecules of hydrogen ion. And tribasic acid, H3PO4, as it ionizes. When ionized with one molecule of phosphoric acid produces three molecules of hydrogen ion. This is tribasic. Same on the basis of acidity of base, alkalis are also divided monoacidic base as NaOH, KOH, etc. One molecules of OH ion, one ion of OH ion will be obtained from one molecule of NaOH. Diacidic base, say calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, two molecules of OH ion will be obtained from one molecule of calcium and magnesium. Triacidic base, say aluminum hydroxide. I am giving example 1. When AlOH3 ionize, it will form as such three molecules of OH minus ion. So one molecule of aluminum hydroxide, you will get three molecules of OH minus ion, and it is tribasic acid. Same all in the case of this. So there are 5 ways to classify mainly acids and with alkalis.